Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Google Cloud API key. All right, so first up, go ahead over to console.cloud.google.com, and once done, hit enter, and you'll be landed to the same exact page. Now, once you're in here, go to the top left and select your project, okay? If you don't have a project, go ahead and click on new, as it's pretty easy to create. Now, once done, select the current project, like so, and then go ahead over to the top left, click on the three horizontal lines. In here, you're going to want to hover your mouse onto APIs and services, click on credentials. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can go ahead and click on create credentials. All right. And here, as you can see, we have API key, also OAuth and service account. Okay. Just going to go ahead and select API key. It says here creating API key. Just wait for it. It won't take long. And here you have your API key. You can just go ahead and easily copy this one to your clipboard. Or if not, you can go ahead and check your API from here. Go ahead and click on show key, like so. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.